In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your variable valve timing solenoid on your Toyota Camry. It's located behind the engine. Here we are on the passenger side of the vehicle. We're behind the valve cover, and we're going to be removing this. Let's disconnect our connector. Just push down on the tab and remove the connector. Using a 10mm socket, I'm going to remove this bolt. I'm just going to set this off to the side so it's out of our way. I recommend doing that. Using a 10mm socket with an extension and a 1/4 inch drive, we're going to take out this bolt below the solenoid. Once you take out the bolt, you're going to remove the solenoid. There is an O-ring in there, so you do need to gently wiggle it and pull it out. Maybe twist it a little bit to free it up. Just give it a good yank and pull it out. Make sure you clean the area. And then you're going to want to put some oil on your O-ring on the solenoid. Just use regular oil, motor oil. Now we're going to put it in there. Make sure the bracket for the bolt is down. And slide it in. You're going to push and get it past that O-ring. You may have to do a little wiggle. Once you get it past the O-ring, you're going to line up that bracket with the bolt hole on the head. Once it's lined up, you're going to start your bolt. You are going to need to do it with your socket and extension, because it's too tight of a space to get your fingers in there. Once you get it started by hand, you can tighten it. And now we're going to torque it. I'm going to torque it to 50 inch-pounds. There we go. Put your connector on. And now we're going to put our bracket back with our bolt. So line it up. And get that bolt started and tighten it down. Make sure it's tight. And you should be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.